Hey guys, let's find out. Is this worth the crap for a truck? Alright guys, welcome back to This Trucking Life. If you don't know, I'm a truck driver for Walmart and I've got my own truck. I've got a couple cool things in here. And my Bluetooth keeps messing up, so you can check out my other videos how I learned how to or how I show how I was able to connect my TV to the Bluetooth of the truck using an FM transmitter and all this stuff. But for some reason the stereo is messing up, and instead of dealing with all that, I just went ahead and bought one of these. $39 at Walmart, and we're gonna find out, because that's the same brand as the TV, and we're gonna find out how well this works. It's Bluetooth too, so I can also listen to my podcast while cruising down the road. Not a bad idea, right? Let's check it out. Find out how to open this with one hand. Quite the task. We're gonna make it happen though. Lord, we'll fast forward through this. Okay. Voila, voila. No styrofoam, thank you very much. This stuff is good, man. That's recycled. It's great. All right. Check it out. We got a handy dandy little remote. This is gonna look so cool. I do apologize. I just took all that out of the bag. Some people like to see you open stuff, so let's make sure we help them out. Reminds me of like a freaking extra foot long, or well, it'll be like an 18. It's a 20 inch. What am I talking about? Anyways, yeah, this is a 20 inch. Wow. LEDs on the back. That'd be cool. There's your optical out. So yeah, pretty nice looking, nice and sleek. I like it. It says it's 120 watts. There's your optical out. They even give you drywall anchors. I love it. Look, they even give you a template that you can put on the wall. Okay, so yeah, you'll just set it on the wall like this, and it tells you exactly where you make your holes. I mean, that's great. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, everybody's like, oh man, on is crap. No, it's not. It's just cheaper. Like, maybe it doesn't last as long. I have no idea. I mean, this is the second TV. If you can tell, one of my little girls threw a fit and scratched it up one day. Things been working great since. My other TV that I had mounted here, if you watch me at all, I was grabbing it from up here when I was taking it out because I used to do slip seat. Yeah, I took my TV anyways. Don't ask. It doesn't matter. Every week we had to take, had to completely clean the truck out. Now I got my own truck, as you can see. Made myself at home in here. But pretty good. So we're gonna plug this in. This is gonna be so easy to install, literally easy as heck. If you're wondering how I get, like, I got a microwave here. If you're wondering how that's possible, if you hear that little motor run in the background, let me turn the fan down, my bad. We have a little diesel motor that runs on the outside, very efficient. And it does it powers the batteries, it powers anything inside here, and it also gives us heat or air conditioning. And here's the inverter. This is what converts the power to household power. I hope you can see it. A couple extension cords, and then you've got yourself a Blu-ray player, a TV, microwave, a coffee maker, and an electric skillet. I know you cannot run any of those at the same time. I mean, you can run the TV and the microwave at the same time, or the TV and the electric skillet at the same time, but you know what I mean? The heavier things, the heavier load you can't do. So anyways, hey, if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe. If you're a truck driver, howdy driver. Yeah, let's check this out. All right, yeah, one heck of a glare over there. I'm so sorry. Anyways, yeah, it comes with 2 AAA batteries, remote batteries. Very nice remote. Look at all the buttons. You've got the light, you got the dimmer, you got different sound modes. I guess you can do the Bluetooth connection right here too, just by pressing that button to like turn it off or on, or switch. Hopefully it lets me switch from different Bluetooths. We got the phone, and we've got the TV. Maybe, I don't know. We might just have the phone actually. By phone I mean like Spotify. You know what I'm saying? Okay, it says for best audio, use the optical. Yeah, this little, I think they're like $78 now, little 24-inch on TV at Walmart. Yeah, it's only 720p, but it has the optical out. It has 3 HDMI's and stereo and all that stuff out. But yeah, we're gonna do this because it says it's the best quality. Again, it's like $78, and if you want the bigger one, the 32, it's 88 now. Like, I know inflation's like caused everything go up, but dang, TVs got cheaper. Who would have thought something that you don't really need is so much cheaper than things you really need, right? Oh, you guys are gonna tear me up about this freaking glare, aren't you? Okay, here we are. It's got the little covers, dust covers. Really, seriously, dust covers. Yep. Still trying to find a good place for the thing because I just Velcroed my. Sorry if that's squeaking. I just Velcroed my Blu-ray player to this, which is great because you don't have to have the fuzzy Velcro. It's already there. So I'm gonna have to get me a Velcro kit, and we'll probably. No, we've got room back here. We got plenty of room back here. We'll have to figure that out. But for now, let's just get it to working. So I'm gonna go plug this stuff in, and I'll be right back. Yeah, I forget. It's all about the B-roll. Horrible quality, shaky screen. Y'all are probably motion sick. God damn. Ta-da. Yeah, they could have done a little better where they're gonna put that. It is impossible to use one hand to plug things in. All right, we got the power button. We're gonna get my remote out of here. We're gonna turn that on, and we're gonna turn the DVD player on, if it heard me. All right, we're waiting. We'll turn this on. Wow. Turn this down. Come on. Uh-oh. And we can change the lights. They're trying to, there we go. We can just have them fade in and out. Next, go give it to you. All right, now we muted the copyright infringement. We got different blues here. We got a dimmer. I wonder. Okay. It's different colors. It just fades in and out. I like it. I like it a lot. It's $39, so it's not gonna sound like, you know, the Bose or whatever. Bose. But it does sound pretty dang good for what it is. And there it is, guys. $13.9. Make you holler. You got controls up there if you lose a remote. It's a pretty small remote, but you know, compared to these, it's about the same size as a Roku remote, which could be bad because the Roku is like the perfect size just to drop in the couch and never find it again. Anyways, guys, I try to do little reviews to help people like before they buy something to see what it's like. You know what I mean? You know, we're all in it together, right? You know, it's very expensive. Everything is. But hey, I got a safety meeting, and they're gonna feed us like Cajun, I think they said, and cookout. Like we got a food truck and cookout. Like, I love working here. All right, see you guys. Please subscribe. Check the comments. Check the description. I've got a couple things. You want to make $5 right now? Like seriously, and make me $5 as well because you like me so much? Click the link below if you haven't already started to Cash App. Cash App's awesome. We use it to move money around for free, and you can also pay your buddies. You know, stuff like that. It's great. It's awesome. $5 for you, $5 for me. I got the, I'm not going to show it to you. I have the debit card for them as well for my account. No fees, nothing like that. They're also offering $200 or either $350 or $250 if you do 2 months of consecutive deposits, ADH, like from work. You know what I'm saying? Direct deposit. Do that for 2 months, $250, $350. Can't remember which one, but check it out. Cash App, link below. Again, just trying to help y'all out, and obviously a little bit for me. Have a good one. It came to my attention that I did not tell you guys about the Bluetooth. Super easy. It'll go 30 foot. All you got to do, just like pairing anything else, you hit the Bluetooth button here. I can't do it because I'm actually using my phone to record. You hit that button, Then you look on your phone, you make sure your phone's on, and it's on 20 soundbar. It'll connect, boom. And then I like to make it automatically connect just for audio. And yeah, it should work just great. Bye. All right, guys, here's the final product. Yep, it works. I can hear it from up front, and I ran it up through the holes in the cabinet. This one actually got wedged between the cabinet and the shelf there, and it has held for almost 1,000 miles so far. All the wires are nice and tucked away in the back. Remote up front, real easy to switch to the phone. I keep my remote right there. Super easy. All right, guys, I gotta hit the road. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more videos, please watch more videos. Hit subscribe. Bye-bye.